Tamariki, it's me, Auntie Anika, can't you see? I'm a genius, wiggity whack, because I know lots of scientific facts. Don't believe me, it's true, because I am inquisitive just like you. Well, now you know. Let's get this show on the road. Yeah, hands in the air. Yeah, here we go, here we go. Fact one, bananas are radioactive. Boom, mic drop. Fact two, sound doesn't travel in space. In your face. Fact three, when you are asleep, you can't sneeze. That's a good tip. Fact four, horses and cows sleep standing up, actually. You want more? Yeah. Don't stop. But do stop. Yeah. Well, this is the end of my rap. Kids, what do you think about that? You gotta open your mind. Read lots of books and you will find you will learn and grow. Now you know.